In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the 8 phases you need to follow if you really want to leave your 9 to 5. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be revealing you the 8 phases that you need to follow if you really want to leave your 9 to 5. Chances are that right now you are, you know, on phase number 1. And let me show you which one it is. Okay. And this phase is basically this one. Is the phase in which we are doing research. We are looking for an opportunity. Okay. Chances are that maybe, there are different scenarios. Scenario number 1, you are tired of your 9 to 5. You want to live your life on your own terms. Maybe you want to spend more time with your family. Maybe you're looking to earn some extra money because the one that you're earning right now is not enough because of the debts. You know, every single day things are getting pricier and all this stuff. And you are looking for an opportunity. There are different opportunities out there. These can be people are doing trading, people are doing crypto, people are doing Amazon FBA, people are doing drop shipping, people are doing drop service. In my case, I decided to go with affiliate marketing, which basically I'm promoting other people's products and services in order to get a commission. The reason why I decided to go all in with this opportunity is the fact that I don't have to deal with customer service, tech support. I don't need to invest on, on products that I'm going to be having on stock on a warehouse. The investment is minimum. And, I don't have to deal with payment processors, tech support, and all that stuff. I mean, it's a great opportunity if you already have a 9 to 5. And in my case, when I got started, I had 2 full-time jobs at the time. And to be honest, I wasn't looking to replace them. I was looking to earn some extra money, but at the end of the day, I was able to replace them. So chances are that right now you are on this. You're researching for an opportunity. Then we have the um, phase number 2, which is getting started. Okay, most people are still on research mode because they are looking for the best thing ever, the one that is actually perfect, and they don't get started. They don't do the very first thing that they need to do in order to set up the opportunity that they went through. Okay, so you need to get started. You need to implement. You need to take action. You need to be an action taker. That's the difference between being a dreamer. You need to be a doer. Okay. It's not going to be perfect, but you need to start. Okay. The third step is that you need to build the system. Okay. Whatever system you have or you need for your business model or the way that you're going to be earning money online, you need to have it. This is going to be the tech part. Okay. You need to build the system. This is going to be the tech part. You need to understand that this is something new, that this is something that you're learning. You're learning the skills. You're learning more about your business and all this stuff. And you actually need to understand that there is a learning curve. You need to spend time learning and you need to spend time implementing. And chances are that there are going to be times that you're going to be frustrated because this is something new. Okay. And you don't know how to do it. You are learning. Okay. Don't get desperate because most people quit on this phase. Okay. Don't get desperate. Understand that this is actually part of the process. After the tech phase, we will need to get traffic. Most of the time, we start with free traffic, okay, which is basically eyeballs. Okay, chances are that you right now are creating a TikTok account, an Instagram account, a YouTube channel, or maybe you have a blog, okay, or maybe you have a Pinterest account, okay. So you start with this, with what we call free traffic or organic traffic, okay. You need to start doing YouTube videos. Maybe you're going to be doing with this short form content, 5 to 7 second short videos, even less than 60-second videos. And here you are going to have little, and this is based on my experience, you're going to have what we call the imposter syndrome, because you're like, okay, how am I going to be sharing my experience and all this stuff if I'm just getting started? I don't have the results right now, or I don't have the results I want right now. Okay, you need to understand that there are people who are sharing their expertise, and there are other people who are actually sharing what they're learning. Okay, you're like a reporter. That's okay. Okay, if you just learn something and you just want to share it based on your experience, and again, people also are going to buy from people they know, they like, and they trust. So people are going to relate with you if you're just getting started, if you already have some kind of success, if people consider you an expert. Okay, understand that that's actually part of the process. Okay, do not stop there. Understand that at the beginning, the content that you're creating is not going to be perfect. Chances are that you're going to be super nervous. Chances are that you're going to be like, wow, did I sound like that? That's kind of awkward. And you're going to be deleting your videos, deleting your content, because you don't want it, because it's not quote unquote perfect. A perfection is enemy of good enough. Just go ahead and do it and enjoy the process. Understand that you are going to be getting better and better and better. It's like if you practice in sport, at the beginning, you're not the best. Maybe you have some kind of skills. Maybe you're like, you know, but the more you practice, okay, the more you're going to get better. You're going to improve your skills. You need to understand again that this is part of the journey. The first phase is optimizing and testing. Okay, by optimizing and testing is right now you have a funnel, a system that you know is already working, is already converting. You already have some content out there, and you're like, okay, this is the type of content that is actually attracting my audience. This is the type of content that is resonating with my audience, that is connected with them. I need to do a little more. Okay, I need to do some changes. I need to do some tweaks. Okay, and if you don't have enough data, because you're not creating content, driving traffic, if you don't have your system and all this stuff, you're not going to have the opportunity to be in this phase. Okay. And trust me when I tell you that this is one of the things that you're going to be doing the most, that you're going to be consistently optimizing, you're going to be consistently testing, but you need to understand that you need to be careful because you can get lost if you're testing so many things at the same time. So do one little tweak at the time. So you know, like, hey, this is what I'm doing. Is this actually working? Yes. Is it actually not working? Okay. I can go back where I was. Okay. So don't go nuts on this phase. The next step is going to be about copywriting and storytelling. Okay. When you create your funnel, and nowadays it's way easier because you can actually do this with ChatGPT. You can tell them like, hey, I want you to be a professional copywriter. I want to write, I don't know, this sales page. I want to write this email sequence. I want to write, this headline, all of the stuff. Okay. But, you need to understand that words that are there, okay, that are on the funnel, that are on your ads and all this stuff, people need to connect with it. Okay. So you need to understand that um, this is actually a phase that you're going to be in. And most people, when they're building the system, they're like, yeah, I want everything perfect. So I'm going to start doing this. No, no, no. These are the steps that you need to follow. Okay. And you need to know how you're going to be telling your story. Okay. And this is more like the hero journey, because people are like, okay, maybe I'm looking for this transformation, or I'm promoting this transformation, but I'm not still there. Hey, just share your journey, share your story. In which step or in which phase are you currently at? How do you feel? How do you handle, maybe having a full-time job, dealing with your family, with your kids? Maybe you're studying right now. How do you handle everything what are you trying to achieve, how this actually has helped you. Okay, be transparent with people. Tell your story. Tell who you are, because remember what I told you before. People buy from people they know, they like, and they trust. Okay. Okay. And then when you grow, okay, and you have a system that is working, you have a traffic source that is getting you leads and sales. I'm not going to say every single day because it depends on the product. If you go with a low ticket product, chances are that you need to have sales every single day. But if you have a high ticket product, are that you need 2, 3, or 4 sales per month, and that's it. But since you already have a system that is actually working for you, okay, you can start building a team. Okay. And this is one of the hardest part because chances are that, you want all the journey and all the stuff and you're like, okay, I want to have control of everything. But you need to understand that as a solopreneur, you're going to be able to grow until a certain point. Okay. And depending on, on the opportunity that you choose, you will need to have a bigger or smaller team. For example, if you're doing affiliate marketing, what things you can outsource? For example, email marketing. Okay, you can also outsource like editing your videos, maybe editing your reels. Maybe you want something a little bit more professional. Okay, thumbnails. If you have a blog, you can outsource and you can hire people so they can start writing more on your blog. You can outsource customer service, tech support, and all that stuff. Okay, so this is actually depend on your uh on how much you want to grow. Okay, because chances are that you're like, but I feel okay the way I am. I'm not looking forward to create way more. Okay, but I think this is something that you need to consider building a team. And right now I'm on this phase, which is paid traffic. Okay, I'm doing traffic, which I put it here, but right now I'm on this stage, which is actually paid traffic. Okay, with paid traffic, since I already have a system in place, since I already have, the traffic sources, I already optimized everything, and I know it's actually working. I need to scale. You need to grow and scale. And a lot of people are skipping this step and they're going directly to this one because they think that paid traffic do something magical. Okay. That's not how it actually works. Because if you don't understand your audience, if people don't resonate with your content, if they do not connect with you, traffic, paid traffic is not going to do the magic. Okay. It's only grow or help you grow, once you already have all the system in place. Okay. I know it sounds kind of wow when you hear someone like, yeah, I put $1 in and I get $5 out, $2 out, $10 out, but they know and they understand and they already have been part of all this process in all these phases. Okay. So I want you to be clear on this because at the beginning, and because you will need to optimize and your ads and all this stuff. Okay. Because after that, you will need to do this. You will need to do this. And chances are that you will need to have a team of people who are just 100% focused on pay ads. Okay. So you need to understand these phases. If you really want to grow, you need to understand that there is a huge opportunity out there. And by the way, guys, if you want to learn more about this, and if you want to learn what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. Okay. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. And I hope that if you're currently on phase number one, stop, pick one opportunity and get started. Okay. If you're stuck on phase number three, which is build your system and all the stuff, do not get desperate. Okay. Do not get desperate. Enjoy it. Okay. Ask for help if you need some help. Okay. If you are right now creating traffic, okay, don't get desperate. create your traffic, be diligent, and remember that after that, you need to optimize and you need to keep testing. Okay, so this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.